Once upon a time in a charming town in England, there lived a curious and eager to learn boy named Oliver. Oliver had a knack for making friends and exploring new things. One day, a new family moved into the neighborhood, and Oliver was introduced to a girl named Lily. Lily had just moved from France, bringing with her a rich tapestry of traditions and customs. Excited to share their respective cultures, Oliver and Lily decided to collaborate on a special stand for the upcoming town fair. They gathered colorful fabrics, handmade crafts, and delicious treats, creating a stand that showcased the beauty of their combined backgrounds. As the fair unfolded, Oliver and Lily noticed the interest their stand generated. People from all walks of life were drawn to the unique blend of English and French cultures. Inspired by the positive response, the duo decided to organize a play area for children, promoting unity and understanding. A new friend, Ethan, recently relocated from Spain, joined the mix. Oliver, Lily, and Ethan spent their days playing games, sharing their traditions, and learning from one another. The trio's friendship blossomed, emphasizing the power of diversity. The highlight of the fair was a vibrant dance performance featuring Oliver, Lily, and Ethan. The townsfolk marveled at the harmonious display of different cultures coming together. The trio's message was clear: embracing differences and living together in unity can create something truly beautiful. As the sun set on the fair, Oliver, Lily, and Ethan realized that their friendship was a testament to the joy of understanding and respecting one another. The charming town in England became a symbol of cultural fusion and the strength found in diversity, reminding everyone that together, they were stronger and happier.